14, determine whether the relation is a function and state why. Which of the following is true? Okay, so a function, what makes a function is that every x value can be paired with only one y value. Okay, so -2 is paired with -2. Okay, and only -2. So I'm going to look through here and say, okay, is -2, does it show up as an x value again and get paired with something different? No. Okay, how about 2? 2 gets paired with -2, and 4 gets paired with 6 only. 7 gets paired with 4, and there isn't another point. If there was another point in this list with 7 comma anything other than 4, like 7 comma 12, right? Now I don't have a function, okay? Because 7 gets paired with 4 and 7 got paired with another thing, 12. This is not allowed for a function, okay? But so far, I have no repeats. No x's have repeated and had a different y. Okay, so this r is a function. I can get rid of this and this because it is a function. And the definition of a function is that each x is paired with exactly one y. So C is the answer. That's the definition of a function. And D is a distractor, right? This is not the definition of a function. Each y paired with exactly one x is not the definition of a function.